Hello, this video will provide step-by-step instructions for placing and managing holds in the Chester County Library System. What is a hold? A hold is a request by a patron for an item in the Chester County Library System, also called CCLS. The Tredyffrin Public Library is one of the 18 libraries within Chester County Library System. At Tredyffrin, holds can be placed on books, DVDs, audiobooks, video games, magazines, and some board games. Holds cannot be placed on local history reference books, 7-day loan books, newspapers, and items in the Library of Things. Please keep in mind each library in the Chester County Library System may have slightly different rules about what can be placed on hold. Where can I place a hold? You can place a hold through the Tredyffrin Public Library website, through the Chester County Library System app, or in person at your local library's circulation or reference desks. Hold guidelines. You can place a hold on multiple formats of the same item. Any CCLS library card in good standing can place holds. You can have a total of 30 holds at one time. You can see the position of your hold on the holds list. You can freeze your holds. You cannot place a hold if your account has expired. You cannot place a hold if your account has fines over $10, and you cannot predict exactly when a hold will be ready. You will need your library card number and PIN to place a hold on the website or app. Your library card number is on the back of your library card, and your PIN is a 4-digit number you create. If you need assistance with finding these items, please call the reference desk at 610-688-7092, extension 212, or please send an email to tpl@ccls.org. Let's begin. We will now go through the steps to place a hold on the Tredyffrin Library website. Throughout this video, you will see there are times when the website on your computer looks different from the website on your phone. You will see examples of both types of screens so you can follow along on either device. Please open a web browser and type the following into the search bar: CHESPIIVEGA.COM. You can also scan the QR code in the lower right corner of the screen with your phone's camera. Search for the item. When you arrive at the website, click in the search box at the top of the screen. Next, type the title, author, series, or subject of interest into the search box. If you are using a computer, press Enter, Return on the keyboard, or click the white magnifying glass icon on the orange background. If you are using a phone, tap the white magnifying glass icon on the orange background. This magnifying glass is circled in green on the screen. For this example, we are searching by author. Locate the item. Review the results of your search and find the item you want to place on hold. For the example on the screen, the title of the book is identified with an orange arrow, and available formats are identified by the green arrow. Click on the tab with your preferred format. Place the hold. Once you have the correct title and format selected, click the blue button on the bottom right that says Place Hold. This button is circled in orange next to a green arrow on the screen. Sign into your account. Once you click Place Hold, You will be prompted to sign into your account. Click the blue button that says Sign In. This button is circled in orange next to the green arrow on the screen. Type your 14-digit library card number into the top box. Then type your 4-digit PIN into the bottom box. Click Submit. You will notice Submit is simple text below the PIN box on your computer screen and a blue button to the right of your PIN box on your phone. Step 1. Confirm your pickup location. You will see a box that asks, "Where would you like to pick this up?" If your ideal pickup location is already listed in the box, continue to the next step. To change your pickup location, click the down arrow to the right of the library's name. The location box is next to the orange arrow on the screen. Click the blue button that says Confirm Location. A green arrow shows you the Confirm Location button on this screen. Check for success. If the hold was successful, you will see this box that says, "Your request for this material was successful." We'll let you know when it's ready to pick up. You can also check the status in your account hold section. Click the blue button that says OK in the lower right. The button is circled in orange next to the green arrow on the screen. Review holds. To review your holds, click the blue tab that says My Bookshelf in the lower left corner. This button is circled in orange and next to a green arrow on the screen. Next, click the word Holds in the upper left. This word is circled in orange next to the green arrow on the screen. This page allows you to see your total number of holds. You can have up to 30 holds at one time. You can also review individual holds for your place in line, see the green arrow, identify the hold's expiration dates, see the blue arrow, confirm or change your pickup location, see the orange arrow, and cancel or freeze your hold, see the yellow arrow. Understanding your place in line. Available. This item is owned by CCLS. Available does not always mean the item is on the shelf. Waiting. We are waiting for a copy to become available to you. In transit. Your item is being shipped between libraries. Ready for pickup. Time to visit the library circulation desk and check out your item. We hold items for 7 days. Pickup and expiration. To alter the pickup location, click the small blue image of a notepad and pencil. This is circled in orange on the screen. Click the drop-down menu to select your preferred pickup location. Next, click the blue Confirm Location button to finalize the change. Cancel holds. If you decide that you no longer need an item you placed on hold, click the blue Cancel Hold button, seen here next to the green arrow. A confirmation box will pop up that says, "Are you sure you want to cancel this hold?" It completely removes the item from your account. If you want to continue, click the blue Cancel Hold button. This button is next to the green arrow on the screen. Freeze or unfreeze holds. If you freeze a hold, you can continue to move up in the queue without having to collect the item until you are ready. Only you can freeze holds. Library staff cannot freeze or unfreeze holds on your account. To freeze a hold, click the down arrow on the right corner of the Cancel Hold button. This button is circled in orange on the screen. To freeze a hold, click Freeze. To unfreeze a hold, click Unfreeze. These are both next to the green arrows on the screen. Next, we are going to place a hold in the CCLS app. To open the app, tap the Chester County Library System app on your device. Once the app is open, tap Search icon. Search for the item. Step 1, tap Search All in the top left. Step 2, tap the Enter Search Terms box. Step 3, type the author, title, series, or subject. Step 4, click Search. Step 5, scroll through the offerings. For this example, we are searching by author. Select your item. Review the results of your search. Scroll down to see more items. To select an item, click the white arrow in the gray circle to the right of the title. This is circled in orange on the screen. Next, you will see a screen with additional information about this item. If this is the item you want, click the arrow to the right of Request Item in the lower section of the screen. This is circled in orange on the screen. Confirm details. The top of this page asks, which reader are you placing this hold for? Make sure the correct name is in the box below. Review the pickup location. If needed, tap the name of the library to update or change the pickup location. Tap the blue box that says Request Item at the bottom of the screen. Success! A box will appear that says, this item has been placed on hold. Item requested successfully. Tap the word Close to complete the process. This word is circled in orange on the screen. Review holds. Tap either My Account on the top of your screen or the person icon at the bottom center of the screen. Both are circled in orange here. Next, tap My Holds. This page allows you to see your total number of holds. You can have up to 30 holds at one time. You can review individual holds for your place in line, your hold status, and cancel or freeze your holds. In this example, the item with the white background is on hold, and the position is 1 of 1, meaning you are the first person on the wait list and will receive the item as soon as it is checked back into the system. The item with a green background is ready for you to come pick up at the library. To cancel, freeze, or unfreeze a hold, tap any item you want to manage. An item is selected when its box is gray. Next, click the blue button that says Manage Selected at the top of the screen. Please note, library staff can cancel a hold for you. However, holds can only be frozen or unfrozen by a patron. Library staff cannot freeze or unfreeze a hold. A box will appear that says, Manage Selected Items. What would you like to do? First, tap the action you require. Next, tap Close on the next screen. Now, confirm your request with the color code. A selected item is gray, Cat in the Hat. Frozen items are blue, Pride and Prejudice. Items on hold are white, Don Quixote. And items ready for pickup are green, Lessons in Chemistry. Congratulations, you created a hold. Remember to check your email, Chester County Library System app, or online account for updates about your hold. We are here to help. If the previous steps do not work for you or if you have questions, please contact the reference desk. You can come visit us in the library. Give us a call at 610-688-7092, extension 212, or email us at tpl@ccls.org.